guys! So, this is the third video. Hi, vlog! Welcome to my guys! Okay, let's start with the personality disorders. Okay, meron tayong tatlong cluster. Okay, we have three clusters. Okay, sa personality disorders, we have the cluster A, we have the cluster B, and you also have the cluster we also have the cluster C naman. Okay? So, let's start with cluster A, personality disorders. So, ano bang meron sa cluster A, personality disorders? Okay? So, it includes the odd or eccentric behaviors. We have the schizotypal, and paranoid personality disorder. So, ano ba ang pinagkapare-parehan nilang tatlo? Ha? Ano ang similarities ng schizotypal, and paranoid? Okay? Ito class. They tend to be odd and meron silang eccentric behaviors. Okay? So, ang similarities nilang tatlo class, hirap silang makikonnect. Okay? Makikonnect sa mga tao, and meron din silang unusual or suspicious behaviors. Okay? Ayan. Okay, let's start with schizoid personality disorder. Okay, it is characterized by a long-standing pattern of detachment from social relationships and a limited range of emotional expression in interpersonal settings. Okay, so dito class, si client, mas bet niya maging alone, and okay siya doon. Okay? Sobrang detached siya sa mga relationships, tapos wala siyang interest sa mga close connections. Kahit nga sa family niya mismo wala siyang pakialam doon. Okay? Wala siyang interest. Ayaw niya makipag-engage sa ganong connections, okay? And ayun, gusto niya yung mga solitary activities, like yung mga activities na pang solo lang, ganon, okay? And ayun, they tend to be aloof, and they tend to be indifferent. So technically, sila yung mga clients na parang walang pake. Okay? Wala silang pake. Sa pamilya nga nila, wala silang interest or pakialam sa'yo pa kaya. 'Di ba? Okay. So, ito kasi class, sila yung mga clients na hindi sila expressive sa thoughts nila. Hindi rin sila expressive sa nafe-feel nila. So, technically, ano yung makikitang affect sa mga clients natin with schizoid personality disorder? Okay? Ang mapapansin nating affect ay possible or usually meron silang flat affect. Okay? Meron silang flat affect, 'di ba tulad ng sabi ko dati, ang flat affect yung mga ano, yung mga, like yung emotionless, 'di ba? Gano'n sila, okay? Hindi sila sad, hindi sila anxious, they are just emotionally distant talaga, okay? Ayan. So, let's talk about the main nursing interventions, okay? We have to improve the client's functioning in the community, and we have to assist client in finding case manager, okay? Sila kasi class, yun nga, dahil sila ay emotionally distant and detached from everyone class, ang ating intervention, we have to focus on functional improvement, okay? So, when we do that, we are not going to force socialization kasi syempre kapag punwersa natin at pinilit natin sila na, "Uy, kausapin mo naman ako," they are not going to do that. Kasi syempre, they are used to being alone and being detached to everyone. So, dito, unti-unti nating tutulungan si client na magkaroon ng interest at makipag-engage sa community. Okay? We are going to help the client adapt to community living. Okay? Ayan, mga schizoid. Okay. And also, assist client in finding case manager, when you say case manager class, support system ni client. Okay? We have to help them na makapag-build ng support system. Like, unti-unti makapag-open up na sila sa family nila, sa mga friends, or if ever merong friends. Pero if wala, we can try to, or we can assist them in socializing. Okay? Wag naman nating sabihin na, uy, makipag-friends ka naman. Baka kasi mag-backfire yon. Okay? Schizoid personality disorder. Ang tatandaan nyo, merong long-standing pattern of detachment from social relationships. Okay? Yan ang yan ang inyong tatandaan sa schizoid personality disorder. Okay? Next, we have the schizotypal personality disorder. Okay, class. So, ito naman, it is characterized by the display of abnormal or highly unusual thoughts, perceptions, speech, and behavioral patterns. And ito class, it is also characterized by a pervasive pattern of social and interpersonal deficits marked by acute discomfort with and reduced capacity for close relationships. Okay. Ayun. Ito class, sa schizotypal, meron silang suspiciousness and paranoia. They tend to be unable to understand how behaviors impact others. Meron din eccentricity, magical thinking, odd thinking and speech, relationship deficits, blunted affect, and reclusiveness. Okay, class. Kapag ganito kasi, ang tatandaan nyo dito sa client with schizotypal personality disorder, they are highly anxious. Okay? They are highly anxious to the point na they are weird, tapos meron silang magical thinking, 'di ba? Alam niyo naman kapag may magical thinking ang isang client, 'di ba? Naturo ko na sa inyo last time. Magical thinking. Okay? Iniisip nila na meron silang powers, okay? Ito na ang brilyante ng lupa. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan, meron nga suspiciousness and paranoia, and then merong unable to understand how behaviors impact others, kasi nga socially anxious siya, tapos magical thinking, inisip talaga na meron siyang superpowers, and then eccentricity, dito class, meron silang unusual outfits. Yes, wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo. Um, schizotypal personality schizotypal. Okay, images. Outfit. Tingnan niyo 'to. Wait lang. Paano ko ba 'to i-aano? Ah, 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 aha. Stop sharing. Mukha ko munang makita ulit. Okay? Okay, anong isha-share ko dito? Safari. Okay? Yan, kita niyo yan? Yan, sila yung mga merong weird na suot. Okay? Do you call this, fashion? Wow. Can we start a schizotypal outfit appreciation thread? Okay, visit nga natin to sa Reddit. Hmm. Okay. So, siya pala yung nag-post. Uy, ang ganda ng damit niya, oh. Now, I wish I took more proper fit pics. I really like grandma type clothing. Okay? Ayun. Wow, ang cute naman ah. Anyways, they call it fashion, 'di ba? I don't know, pero 'di ba, ngayon nauuso yung mga weird outfits. Pero syempre, um, baka kasi kapag sinabing weird outfits, baka kapag nakakita kayo ng weird outfits, sabihin niyo, uy, may schizotypal personality disorder yan. Ganon, 'di ba? Pero it looks cute. Oh my God. Okay. Oh no. What kind of outfit is this?
Sa message mo sa Ninang Aba yung makeup artist. Message.
Mari, I'm having my class.
Hanapin mo yung
Hmm, ba't ba? Wait lang. Okay. Oh no, this one. Hell yeah. Okay. Oh, I know someone that can actually rock this type of outfit. Yeah, it looks weird though. Okay, so we are not going to invalidate their outfits. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda oh. Para kasi Belle ng Beauty and the Beast sa gantong suot. Ano pa ba? Oh no. Oh my God, this is the weirdest outfit I think. Okay. I don't know. Talagang ganyan. We have to appreciate them kasi diyan sila masaya and nakakapag-cope sila. And the fact that they are here sa schizotypal community, at least they are self-aware naman. At least, 'di ba? Self-aware and alam nila meron silang schizotypal na personality disorder. Okay? So aside from that, meron pa bang outfit dito? It looks cute oh. Uy, yan, dito naman. Skit sa typal ulit. Oo, 'di ba? Ganto kaya yung mga suot ng mga ganto kaya yung suot ng mga taga-US or mga artist, 'di ba? Pero ang galing they are self-aware. Wow, optical illusion. Oh, 'di ba? As long as it's comfy sa kanila, 'di ba? People say I have a style, but I just wear what I like. Nice, okay? Nice one. Okay, wait lang. Ilipat ko lang yung isha-share ko. Okay, ayan. So, ang ating main nursing interventions dito, we have to help the client develop self-care skills, improve community functioning, social skills training. Okay? So, dito class, we have to help them function better. Okay? Not to normalize everything. Ano? Ayan. Pero ang galing, no? They are aware, 'di ba? Yung nakita natin sa Reddit. Kasi kasali sila dun sa subreddit community eh. If kasali sila dun, then they know that they have this kind of personality disorder. 'Di ba? Okay. So next, we have here the paranoid personality disorder naman. Okay? It is characterized by an ongoing suspiciousness and mistrust of others. Okay? So dito, merong trust issues na malala. As in, 100% na trust issues, okay? So, sila yung merong persistent suspicion and mistrust, okay? Maybe suspicious and distrusting, maybe argumentative, kasi nga ay they have to defend their thoughts, okay? Hindi nga, kasi nga, ganito yung mangyayari. They tend to overthink a lot, okay? And then,
Nakita mo,
they feel like, kayo. Okay? And then, they f- they feel like others are trying to get out of them. Tapos, they tend to think that others are talking about them. And they also think that bina-backstab sila, bina-betray sila, gano'n. Mayroong paranoid personality disorder. Yan. And then they can be aloof then, maybe rigid, critical, and controlling of others. Tapos, may have thoughts of grandiosity. So, feel nila, they are the superior one here. Merong, sila, mga feeling superior minsan. Okay? Ayan. So, kahit walang evidence class, they believe that yung threat is real. Kahit walang evidence, basta they have to defend their thoughts. Okay? Ayan. Okay? So, main nursing interventions. We have to be serious. We have to be serious and straightforward whenever we are going to approach them. Like, no jokes muna, ha? No jokes muna. Kasi if funny sa'yo, iba yung dating sa kanya. 'Di ba? Magiging iba yung dating sa kanila. That's why, no jokes muna. We have to be extra careful and extra sensitive whenever we are going to handle a client with paranoid personality disorder. Okay? Then next, we have to teach the client to validate the ideas or the thoughts before acting. Okay? Pero syempre, we don't have to we don't have to ask them why questions, 'di ba? Ganon. Okay? And then we have to involve the client in treatment planning. Bakit? Bakit natin need i-involve ang client in treatment planning? Kasi class, para hindi sila maging suspicious sa'yo. Tandaan nyo, ang mga clients natin with this type of personality disorder, they tend to have a high level of trust issues, 'di ba? That's why gawin nat or let's be transparent, okay? Let's be transparent sa mga gagawin nating interventions para sa kanila. Okay? Next. Do not whisper or laugh in front of a client with a paranoid personality disorder because the client will think that you are talking about or laughing at them. This increases the paranoia. Okay, please. Kasi iisipin nila na, uy, pinag-uusapan nila ako. Uy, pinagtatawanan nila ako. No, kailangan nating iwasan yon. And from that, mabe-break yung na-establish nating rapport sa kanila. Okay? Wag mo sabihin na ano? Ano sinasabi mo? We have to be direct. Okay? So, ulit, we have here the cluster A, personality disorders. We have the schizoid, schizotypal, and paranoid personality disorders. Anong palatandaan natin sa schizoid personality disorder? Okay? Sila yung merong long-standing pattern of detachment from social relationships. Okay? Sila ay socially detached to everyone. Ha? Mga schizoid. Hindi ibig sabihin meron silang schizophrenia, ha? Porket ski yung simula, okay? Next, schizotypal personality disorder. Anong palatandaan natin dito, class? Sila ay mga weird and socially anxious and meron silang magical thinking. Okay? Kapag nakita niyong may magical thinking, ayan. Ano na yan? Schizotypal personality disorder. Okay? And then next, paranoid personality disorder. I know na madali niyo siyang magagets dahil from the word paranoid or paranoia, alam nyo na agad na meron siyang paranoid personality disorder. Okay? Nagagets po ng lahat? Ha? Very good. Nagagets. Okay? Wait lang. Rest muna ako. Ha. Sunod-sunod. Ha. Okay. Wait lang. I'll just charge my watch. Okay. Let's go to cluster B, personality disorders naman. Okay? Oh, what's that? Bakit may kwintas dito? So far naman, wala pa akong na-experience na ganyan. O baka dahil ganyan ako, char. Hindi naman po. Okay, anyways, so ayun. We have here cluster B, personality disorders. Apat to, okay? So, dito, baka nandito kayo Baka meron kayo nito. Char. Okay? Histrionic, narcissistic, antisocial, and borderline personality disorder. So, these clients, they tend to be dramatic, emotional, erratic. Okay? Mamaya. Ayan. So, ayan. Oh my God, meron ba akong histrionic personality disorder? I think wala naman. Wala naman siguro. Meron ba akong narcissistic personality disorder? I think wala rin. Well, alam ko naman sa sarili kong magaling ako. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Nagsa-start na siya. Yan na naman siya, okay? Alam ko naman sa sarili kong magaling ako. Does that make me a narcissist? I don't know. Hindi, aminado naman kasi ako. Alam ko naman kasing magaling ako. Ganun ba? Kapag ba sinasabi mo sa iba na magaling ka, does that make you a narcissist? Ewan ko. Ewan ko.
Magandang gabi.
Okay, anyways, class, we have here the first one, histrionic personality disorder. Oh my gosh! Kindly check yourselves. Baka meron kayo dito. Char. Okay? We have here, yan, histrionic personality disorder. It is characterized by overly dramatic and intensely expressive behavior, characterized by intense unstable emotions and a distorted self-image. Okay? The term histrionic means dramatic or theatrical. Okay? Ayan. So, before tayo mag-continue, we have here the code. Hi, Nice. Hi, Levi. Nagpapapansin si Nice. Papakita siya. Gusto niya makita. Okay, our code here is... Oh, nakita ko ng... Ano dito? Ito. Okay? Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Spread original. Ito yung mala cheese whiz sa ano, sa Dali. Ito yung nilalagay ko kasi siya sa nachos eh. That's why, yan, bumili ako. Kasi, mas mura siya kaysa sa cheese whiz. Eh, isa lang naman yung lasa nila. 'Di ba? Yan. Say cheese spread original. 'Di ba? Sobrang random ng mga codes. Pero anyways, mas gusto ko yan dahil unpredictable. Okay? Okay, we have here the histrionic niya. Ito ay mga dramatic. Okay, so number one, we have the, or letter A, we have the lively and dramatic and enjoys being the center of attention. So dito, attention is life. Okay, attention is life talaga dito. Gusto talaga niya palagi na siya yung ano, yung center of attraction, 'di ba? Okay, it's giving attention seeker. Charot. Ah, no po, no. Hindi tayo nagju-judge, okay? Ayan. Yun, sila ay mga super dramatic, tapos expressive, tapos they love being the center of attraction, tapos yung mga, yung interpersonal relationships nila, nagiging poor and shallow, okay? Hindi sila maka-build ng ano, ng proper relationship or proper connection with someone. Dahil nga gusto niya na nasa kanya lang yung attention, 'di ba? It's very unhealthy naman sa isang relationship, 'di ba? Like, oo na, ikaw na palagi yung tama, 'di ba? Gano'n, maiirita talaga sa'yo yung jowa mo, okay? The next, may be sexually seductive or provocative dahil nga attention is life, okay? Baka maya-maya nagse-send na yan ng nudes, okay? Baka naman maya-maya na siya nagti-thirst trap ng malala dahil attention is life, okay? Dramatize, kasi nga 'di ba, sexually hindi, kasi 'di ba kapag sexually seductive ka, yung mga lalaki na merong low tolerance sa mga ganyan, talagang papansinin ka, 'di ba? Okay. Uy, laki ng boobs nito. Okay. Pansin, message ko nga. And from that, they enjoy the attention, 'di ba? Okay? Dramatize personal life and may appear theatrical. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, lahat na lang ng bagay or lahat na lang ng detail sa buhay niya ay um, mas ina-exaggerate. Mas ina-exaggerate niya. Okay? Parang ano nga, para maging siya yung center of attraction, gusto niya siya yung bida talaga, 'di ba? Okay? Overly concerned with appearance, okay? Overly concerned with appearance kasi nga gusto niya siya yung center of attraction, so dapat Gusto niya siya yung naiiba palagi, gusto niya siya yung maganda palagi, gusto niya siya yung pogi palagi, gano'n. Okay? And of course, easily bored dahil sila ay they need stimulation palagi. Okay? Parang ano, yun nga, dahil nga theatrical sila, 'di ba? Theater arts, 'di ba? 'Di ba sa theater arts may drama doon. So, sila yung nagpe-perform palagi. Life is the stage and they are the performers. 'Di ba? Wow! Saan nanggaling yun? Wow, ngayon ko lang na ano yan, naisip yan. Okay? Yes, ayun. Histrionic. Sila yung mga dramatic. Okay? Do not ever forget that. Alam kong madali nyo siyang maaalala. Alam kong after you watch this video, maano mo na siya, masasabi mo na, uy, parang may histrionic to. Uy, may histrionic, okay? New words sa vocabulary nyo. Histrionic, dramatic. Instead of saying dramatic, you should say histrionic. Eh di, para at least, hindi alam nung binabackstab mo na yung word na histrionic, 'di ba? Unless na lang if nursing student din yung binabackstab mo, 'di ba? Kapag higher ano na, kasi, "Uy, histrionic ka." Uy, drama mo, 'di ba? Okay. So we have here the main nursing interventions. Okay? We have to teach social skills and then provide factual feedback about behavior. Okay. We have to teach appropriate social skills kasi we have to we have to um we have to let them we have to make them realize that it's okay na hindi sila yung center of attraction all the time. Okay? Kasi kapag ganun, if hindi sila yung nagiging center of attraction, they tend to feel down. Kasi nga, sumasaya lang kasi sila kapag sila yung center of attraction, di ba? Pero what if hindi na sila yung center of attraction? Eh di, ayun nga, baka mag-iba yung behavior nila, maging, bumaba yung serotonin level nila. Kasi ang nagiging serotonin booster nila ay ang attention. Okay? Ayun. So, next we have to give factual feedback about behavior. Okay? We have to give honest feedbacks. Okay? Or when we are going to give honest feedbacks, syempre, we have to be direct and straightforward, but not to the point that you are going to be rude. Ha? Yes, you are honest, pero wag naman sa alam mong magiging rude ka. Ha? Or magiging harsh ka. Dapat matuto ka kung paano mangalapas sa situation ni client. Okay? Ayan. Okay, nagagets po ang histrionic? Okay, very good. Dito naman tayo sa narcissistic personality disorder. Ayan, narcissistic personality disorder. Okay. Narcissistic personality disorder, it is characterized by an increased sense of self-importance and a preoccupation with fantasies and unlimited success. Okay? Characterized by a pervasive pattern of grandiosity in fantasy or behavior, need for admiration, and lack of empathy. Okay? So, ito yung feel nila na sila yung superior but deep inside, they are actually fragile. Okay? So, ayun, meron silang grandiosity. 'Di ba? Meron silang delusions of grandeur, 'di ba? Yung feel nila sila yung powerful and sila yung special. Okay? And then they need constant admiration, 'di ba? Kapag patuloy ng patuloy yung validation na nare-receive nila, doon tumataas yung ego nila. So, yung validations na yan ay nagiging ego boosters nila. 'Di ba? Uy, ang galing naman ni Eliza sa math. Wow, okay. Sige, dahil ako magaling sa math, mga bobo kayong lahat. 'Di ba? Yes, ako yung superior dito. Special ako dito dahil ako yung pinakamatalino sa math. 'Di ba? Ayan. Parang kilala niyo ba si napanood niyo ba yung The Gifted, yung si Zoe Tuazon, tsaka si Aika Tabayoyo, yung kay Ann Curtis, tsaka kay Christine Reyes. gano'n. Yung si ano kasi, si Zoe Tuason, yung Big Fat Zoe, gano'n. Mataas kasi yung tingin niya sa sarili niya, pero that doesn't mean naman na meron siyang narcissistic personality behavior, 'di ba? Oh, who's this? Okay, anyways, so ayun nga, yung mga validations talaga yung mga nagpapalakas sa ego ni client, okay? Uy, ang tali-talino mo naman, gusto ko maging ikaw. Ayan na, unti-unti na yan, okay? Uy, Ma'am Ali, ang galing-galing mo naman. Okay, tatandaan ko yan. Oo, alam kong magaling ako. Pero that doesn't mean that I'm a narcissistic or I have a narcissistic personality disorder, 'di ba? In touch naman ako sa reality. Aware naman ako magaling ako. Ano ba? Maliit na bagay. Okay, then meron silang lack of empathy. They don't know how to empathize with other people. They don't know how to understand the feelings of other people dahil ang mahalaga lang sa kanila ay ang feelings nila. Okay? Okay, ako ang pinakamagaling sa klase nito, sa klase na to. Kayo, mga walang alam. Wala akong pakialam sa inyo. Okay? Pero ayun nga, deep inside, they have this fragile self-esteem. Like, ino-overstimulate nila yung mga sarili nila dahil nga ay gusto nilang, or ayaw nilang mawala yung, paano ba yun? Paano ba yun? Paano ko ba siya ipu-put into words? Okay. Ayun, they tend to overstimulate themselves and overwork themselves because gusto nila or ayaw nilang maka-disappoint ng tao. Gusto nilang ma-maintain yung image nila na magaling ako sa lahat, magaling ako dito sa ganyan, okay? Kaya they are doing anything or everything just to just to maintain their spot on the top, okay? Ayan. And then next, they underestimate others. Ayun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. And then they are also sensitive to the needs of others. Ayun. So, so dito, we have here the main nursing interventions, a matter-of-fact approach. Okay. So dito, we are not going to overpraise the client. Like, yeah, we can give feedbacks, but not to the point na we are going to overpraise them. Like, uy, ang galing-galing mo naman. Wow! Gano'n. Like ano lang, yung simple feedbacks na makakapag-boost pa rin ng confidence niya and ng self-esteem niya. Wow! Yung parang we are recognizing their efforts, gano'n. Yan. Okay? And then next, gain cooperation with needed treatment. Okay, we have to focus on that. And then teach client any needed self-care skills, okay? We have to assist them how to empathize with others, okay? We are not going to feed their egos, ha? But we are not going to attack it as well. 'Di ba? Like neutral lang tayo. Neutral lang tayo sa kanila. Okay? Yan. Pinag-uusapan nila ako. Guys, hindi natuloy yung pag-back out ko. Kasi tinawagan ako kanina. Ang daming tumawag sa'kin kanina, tinawagan ako ng munisipyo, tinawagan muna ako ng kapitan ng barangay namin, ta's tinawagan ako ng munisipyo nung hapon, sabi ko nga kanina ayoko, ta's nung tumawag na sa'kin yung munisipyo, ayun daw, sumali na daw ako. Hindi na ako naka-back out sa mutya. So, sasali ako sa pageant, okay? Ayun, I hope you are going to support me, please. Okay, gawin natin siyang SEM project ha, char. Gawin natin siyang SEM project. Like, lahat ng third year, everyday, o hindi, dapat lahat ng third year, merong ambag na 100 likers. Ilang likers yon? Okay, Ilan ba ang third year? Man, 36 plus 39 plus 39 plus 40, 154. So, kung, paano ko to ita-times? Sa isang tao, 100 dapat. Makaka-contribute kayo ng 15,400 likers sa akin. Oh my God! So, kapag nangyari yun, pag nanalo ako dun, oh, tama. Tama, class. Gawin natin siyang win-win situation. Kapag nanalo ako dito, lahat kayo ipapasa ko. Walang removals. Ah, sige. Wag niyo nang i-record 'to, ha? Wag niyo nang i-record 'to kasi tulad nung sa plus 3 ni-record niyo talaga siya. Pero dito, gawin natin kapag nanalo ako dito, pasado kayong lahat. Pero siyempre, ano lang yun, eme lang yun. Oh, I'm going to evaluate your learnings, ha? Baka naman sabihin niyo na ginagamit ko lang kayo, which is true naman. Gagamitin ko talaga kayo, 'di ba? Pero siyempre, you are going to use me to have high grades. Char, di tayo ganon. Suhol-suhol yon. Okay, bahala kayo. Basta supportahan niyo na lang ako. I need your support, guys. I'm an introvert, pero kasi, kailangan magkaroon ako ng histrionic personality disorder dito. I have to be histrionic para ako yung center of attraction. Char. Ayun. Anyways, dito muna tayo sa antisocial personality disorder, okay? It comprises the pattern of irresponsible and antisocial behavior, selfishness, and ability to maintain lasting relationships, poor sexual adjustment, a failure to accept social norms, and a tendency toward irritability and aggressiveness. They also have a pervasive pattern of disregard for and violation of the rights of others. Okay. So, dito class, yun nga, mga clients natin with antisocial personality disorder, sila yung walang pakinga sa rules. Okay? Like, rules don't apply to me. Yeah, it's giving rules don't apply to me vibes. Ganon. So, ano sila, like, they tend to disregard the rights of others, and wala rin silang remorse. And they see the world as host hostile, okay? So kapag ganyan, o 'di ba? Perceives the world as hostile, lack of empathy or feelings of remorse, okay? Wala akong pakialam sa inyo, basta ako gagawin ko lahat ng gusto ko. Egocentrism, focus on personal gratification. Yes, I am going to do whatever I want para masatisfy yung needs and wants ko. Okay? And then they tend to be deceitful and manipulative. Ayan, mga manipulative. 'Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, it's giving criminal behavior, 'di ba? And then irresponsible, kasi syempre they tend to be irresponsible dahil sila ay mga rule breakers, 'di ba? And then impulsive and engages in risk-taking behaviors. You know the movie The Purge? Alam niyo 'yon, The Purge, yung nagpapatayan. 'Yon. Alam niyo, sila yung ano, although may rules naman, 'di ba? 'Di ba sa The Purge, may rules na within 7 PM hanggang 4 AM, 'di ba? Sinisira nila yung mga kahit anong gamit, may pinapatay sila. Pero ayun, isipin niyo na yung mga taong 'to, they still um they still kill people, and they tend to do bad things kasi nga dun sila masaya, 'di ba? Ayun. They engage in risk-taking behavior. So kapag ganyan class, ayun nga, killing, stealing, gano'n. And ito, uso 'to sa US talaga. Kasi they are substance abusers din, tapos sila ay mga rule breakers. So yung mga substance na ginagamit nila, ito yung nagda-drive sa kanila na gawin yung mga bagay-bagay na mga gantong behaviors. Okay? Mga risk-taking actions pala, I mean. Okay? Nagigets po? Ganyan ang antisocial personality disorder. Okay, ang ingay nila doon ang ingay nila doon. Sana hindi nyo sila rinig, okay? I'm trying to louder my voice. Yes, para mas rinig nyo ako I mean, unlike sa kanila. Okay? Next, we have this persistent or frequent feelings of anger and refusal to conform to social rules and normative behavior. Okay? So, dito class, ang main nursing intervention natin ay we have to apply strict limit setting, okay? At non-negotiable to, okay? Kasi class, dito talaga kapag hindi tayo nag-set ng limits ng malala, baka tayo ang ma-manipulate nila. And mahirap 'yon, okay? Next naman, teach client to solve problems, okay? Ayan, may confrontation then, and then teach client to solve problems effectively and manage emotions of anger or frustration, okay? We have to be firm and we have to be consistent in doing this. Kasi class, there's a big possibility talaga na ma-manipulate nila tayo. Okay? Baka tayo yung mahila nila sa pagkakaroon ng personality disorder. Okay, mali yun, ha? Ang dapat natin gawin ay mahila natin sila for a better future. Okay? Yan. Antisocial, antisocial. The brothers are ready to waiting. You make me boost up. The catching to know that it's harmony. Honey to know. Honey to know. Naging K-pop idol na siya. Naging La Seraphim na siya. Okay, class, we have here the borderline personality disorder. Okay? It is characterized by instability in interpersonal relationships, unstable mood and self-image, and impulsive and unpredictable behavior. Ito class, maraming nagkakaganto. Okay? And some of them are not aware. Okay? So, it's giving parang binibigay ko na yung lahat. Like, lahat, todo, lahat. Pero, I still don't know if ano ba yung nararamdaman ko. Okay? Ito rin class, mga people pleasers din to eh. Yes, okay? Simulan natin. They have poor self-regard or unstable self-image. Yes. Unstable and intense personal relationships. When in terms of personal relationships class, nagiging unstable yan to the point na uh, parang unpredictable yung mood nila. Oo, yung behavior nila. Like, nagkakaroon nga sila ng extreme shifts in moods. Yan nga yung extreme mood swings. Tapos, nagiging impulsive din sila. Okay? Tapos, meron ding self-damaging behavior such as cutting. Dahil class, they are doing that to manipulate you. Ha? Ayan. And then, engages in risk-taking behaviors like, ayun, nagsa-self-harm. Ganon. And then, argumentative and hostile in response to perceived slights or insults, and then manipulation, intense feeling of anxiety in response to stress, chronic feelings of emptiness and intense fear of being rejected, and they tend to have splitting, yung defense mechanism. Like, you're perfect, maya maya, you're the worst. Ganon. Okay? Sees others as all good or all bad. Ayun. Okay? So, ito class, they tend to do it because they have extreme abandonment issues naman. Kaya they are doing self-damaging behaviors. Okay? Yun nga, they are manipulating you para hindi mo sila iwan dahil nga, yun, from that kasi, it shows that they are or they have unstable behavior and stable relationship. Okay? Yan ay borderline personality disorder. Okay? Yan. So, ano yung main nursing interventions natin? Okay, number one, we have to promote safety. Number one, safety, safety, safety. Dahil sila ay nag-engage sa mga self-damaging behavior. Sila yung mga nagse-self-harm. Okay? And then next, we have to help client to cope and control emotions properly and in a nice way and in a safe way. Okay? Next, cognitive restructuring techniques and promote self-esteem. Kasi nga, they have high levels of stress na rin kasi. Mm. Sarap nito. Apple cider vinegar siya. Ang sarap. Okay? Nagagets po? Okay, ulitin natin dito sa cluster B. We have histrionic, narcissistic, antisocial, and borderline. Okay? Sila yung mga dramatic, emotional, and erratic types. Okay? Wag na wag kakalimutan. Mamaya isa-summarize natin siya ulit. Okay? Next, dito naman tayo sa cluster C. Okay, cluster C na tayo. Okay, next code muna. Type text. Okay, what should I type here? Ito na lang muna, sa Zoom na lang. Ito na lang, yung ano ko. Kinain ko. Moondrop. Moondrop. Moondrop food supplement. Yan, masarap siya. Nakakatanggal siya ng bloating and in fairness, alam niyo, ang dami na nga nagsasabi sa akin na ang payat-payat ko na daw. Pero ewan ko, masaya ba ako? Oo, masaya akong mapayat ako. Hmm, ayan. Kasi naman, I can still remember nung nag-aano ko, nagdi-discuss din ako nitong psych last year and ang taba ko din dati. Ayun. Anyways, baka isipin yung may eating disorders ako ah. Wala. Okay? So, ayan. We have here the cluster C, personality disorders. Okay? We have the obsessive compulsive personality, avoidant, and dependent. Okay? Or they include the anxious, fearful types of personality disorders. Class, magkaiba ang OCD sa OCPD. Okay? Wait lang. I have to find my psych notebook. Okay? Ayan. So let's start with OCPD. It is characterized by difficulty in expressing warm and tender emotions, perfectionism, stubbornness, the need to control others, and a devotion to work. Okay. So dito class, i-differentiate natin ang OCPD sa OCD. Okay? Wait lang. I'm just opening a new or another app. Okay? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Share. Okay, kita po? Siyempre, as you should. Dapat kita nyo yun. Okay? So, dito, OCD, ODC. OCD versus OCPD. Okay? Next slide tayo. Ayan. Gawin natin dito OCD. Tapos dito sa kabila ay OCD and OCPD. Ay, hindi. Gawa na lang pala ako ng table. Ano ba yan? Nagpakahirap pa ako. Ha? Sorry ha, on the spot kasi to. Well, magaling. Alam niyo naman. Insert. Asan ang... Okay, lakihan natin siya. Oh, I wanna think. Nar! Okay, dito. Hindi, gawin natin siyang orange. Oh my God. Ayan, light. Okay, we have here the OCD versus OCPD. So, anong meron dito? Okay, mag-add ako ng Oh my God, how am I going to? Yeah, okay. OCD versus OCD class. So OCD, okay, so OCD, it is an anxiety related disorder. Okay? 'Di ba dito nga sa OCD yung pinag-usapan natin last time. Okay? OCD. Meanwhile, dito class, sa OCPD, it is a personality disorder. Okay? Ma'am, ano pa ang pinagkaiba nila? Makahintay ka. Okay? Next, we have here the OCD. Class, ang mga clients with OCD, they are aware. They are aware that they have obsessions and compulsions, diba? They are aware. But class, so OCPD, they are not aware. They are not aware that they are slowly having rituals na by having compulsions and obsessions, 'di ba? Yan, hindi aware yung mga clients natin with OCPD na meron silang disorder. Yes. Parang ano na lang, unconsciously na lang na meron silang obsessions, unconsciously na merong compulsions, gano'n. Okay? Next naman, dito. Okay. Dito naman class, sa OCD, um, their obsessions and compulsions are real. But here, with OCPD, I'm not saying that their obsessions and compulsions are not real, but yung yung ano kasi nila, yung nagiging obsession nila ay sila ay mga perfectionist. So, they want that, they are obsessed sa fact na kailangan perfect lahat. Okay? Ganon yung obsession nila. Okay? Unlike dun sa obsessions and compulsion sa OCD, mismong actions like yung gano'n-gano'n, 'di ba, yung mga actions na gano'n. Pero dito sa OCPD, yung pagiging perfectionist yung obsession nila, okay? Ayan. Tapos class, they are also, rigid, flexible, inflexible and moralistic. Okay. From that kasi class, naaano kasi sila na na-o-overpower sila ng pagiging perfectionist kasi nila 'di ba? So kapag ganyan class, nagkakaroon ng unrealistic standards, 'di ba? Tapos need talaga nila na, "Uy, yun yung rule, okay? Dahil yun ang rule, dapat yun ang gagawin lang natin." And then mas ah, magiging obsessed sila sa fact na they are going to follow it like buo, gano'n, okay? Tapos dito kasi ano sila, work is life talaga dito. Sobrang ino-overwork nila ang mga sarili nila, tapos, yun nga, dito, wait lang. Mali work, ang kanilang work is life, tapos relationships pa ang second sa buhay nila, okay? Okay, so ganyan. Kaya nahihirapan sila, dahil nga, gusto parang they're obsessed with their work, ayan, they're obsessed with their work. Hindi sila obsessed dun sa actions compared dito sa OCD, but ayun, they're obsessed sa pagiging perfect. Okay? OCPD. Okay. Ilipat ko muna itong inaano ko. Ayan. Okay. So, we have here difficulty with understanding the ideas, feelings, and behaviors of others. Dahil sa kanila ay sila lang talaga. Sila lang yung nagmamatter and their obsession in perfectionism. Yes, ganon. Okay? And then they also engages in rituals. Kapag ganito kasi, when we say engages in rituals, kapag nagbunga yung pagiging perfectionist nila. Ayun. Sometimes it becomes a ritual, for the sake of being perfect. Okay? Next, we have here the main nursing interventions. Okay. Encourage negotiation with others para unti-unti ay matuto sila kung paano makipag-empathize with people. Okay? And then assist client in making timely decisions and complete work. And cognitive structuring techniques. Ayan. Yan yung mahalaga dito dahil kapag ganun kasi, unti-unti silang magiging okay sa decision making. Okay? And dito ang goal natin, less control and more adaptability. Okay? Ayan. Wait lang. How how to remove this? Okay? So next class, we have the avoidant personality disorder. Okay, class. Okay, we have here the avoidant personality disorder. So it is characterized by social withdrawal and extreme sensitivity to potential rejection. Okay, I know that you guys really, or you guys are aware, excuse me, and knowledgeable when it comes to being avoidant, di ba? Ayan. So, dito class, hindi sila antisocial, okay? They're just afraid. They are just anxious and they are fearful of what is going to happen, okay? Parang takot sila sa rejection. Yes, yon, tama yon. Takot sila sa rejection. That's why they end up not doing anything kasi natatakot sila na kapag may ginawa sila, it will lead to rejection, it will lead to poor judgment ng tao, ganon. Gano'n yung nafi-feel nila, okay? That's why ina-avoid na lang nila yung mga gantong situations, okay? And naapektuhan na yung daily functioning nila kaya naging disorder na siya, okay? Avoidant personality disorder. Nage-gets po? Okay. So we have here the nursing interventions class. Mahalaga dito ay we have to provide emotional support. Okay? Provide emotional support. Need natin iparamdam sa kanila na it's okay to share up their feelings. We have to we have to make them feel that opening up is actually a good thing. Yes, it means a lot. Okay? And then, cognitive restructuring techniques and promote self-esteem. Yes, yung mga ganito rin kasi, mababa yung self-esteem nila. Like, kaya sila umiiwas, kaya sila nag-a-avoid dahil they hate criticisms and they hate rejection. Okay? Yun ang tatandaan nyo sa avoidant personality disorder. Okay? Next naman, class, we have here the dependent personality disorder. Okay, so it is characterized by an intense lack of self-confidence, low self-esteem, and inability to function independently, such that the individual passively allows others to make decisions and assume responsibility for major areas in the person's life. The dependent client has great difficulty in decision making. Okay. Kapag ganun kasi class, sila yung nagiging clingy na sa atin eh, 'di ba? Tapos lahat ng gagawin nila sa buhay, okay, tatanungin nila sa atin, okay, okay ba na gawin ko 'to? Dapat ko bang sabihin 'to? Dapat ko bang pakita 'to? From that class, ibabalik natin yung tanong sa kanila. Ano sa tingin mo yung makakabuti? Ano sa tingin mo yung makakapag-feel at ease sa'yo? Okay? Gano'n, 'di ba? Nag-aano tayo, ano 'yan, eh, yung therapeutic communication technique, ginagawa natin 'yon. 'Yon, need natin siyang gawin sa isang client with dependent personality disorder. And we should not tolerate their actions, okay? Kasi masasanay sila na sa atin nakadepende yung actions nila. Mahirap kasi yun kasi baka pagdating ng panahon na sanay na sila sa inyo tapos hindi mo tinolerate yung behavior nila, baka maging aggressive sila sa inyo. 'Di ba? Kaya mahirap kapag ito tolerate. That's why simula pa lang we have to set limitations agad and um we have to we have to let them manage and cope properly with their condition. Okay? Hindi naman kasi tayo yung gumagawa ng solusyon sa problema nila. Okay? Hindi tayo ganon. Sinabi ko yun last time, 'di ba? Wala sa atin yung solusyon. Nasa kanila yung solusyon din yon. Ang ginagawa natin, we are assisting them. Okay? We are assisting them to reach that specific solution. Okay? Alam niyo, sobrang fulfilling kaya kapag natulungan natin yung mga ganyan, 'di ba? And sa mga tawag doon, sa mga journals na nababasa ko, you guys felt fulfilled after your psych duty, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa, oo. If tunay talaga yun yung naramdaman niyo at hindi kayo nag-AI, pero ayun, nakakatuwa kasi na-feel niyo fulfilled kayo, 'di ba? Parang nagawa niyo yung duty niyo, 'di ba? Okay? So, our main nursing intervention sa client with dependent personality disorder, we have to foster client self-reliance and autonomy. Yun nga, autonomy, 'di ba? Si client yung magde-decide for him or herself. And sila rin yung magde-decide, okay? Oo nga, tama nga. Ano ba sabi ko? Sila, oo nga. Sila yung magde-decide for him or herself, okay? And then, cognitive restructuring techniques. Ayan. So, dito, class, ang goal natin dito, we have to let them stand on their own. Okay? We have to let them stand on their own. Kasi mahirap if sa atin nakadepende ang buhay nila. Ha? We have to promote independence, okay? Ayan. So, nagigets po? We have 3 cluster C personality disorders. We have OCPD, obsessive compulsive personality disorder. We also have avoidant personality disorder, and meron tayong dependent personality disorder. Okay? So, dito class, we have here the general interventions for a client with a personality disorder. Okay? Number one, priority talaga natin ay ang safety. Okay? Dahil nga, yung mga clients natin, they tend to engage in risk, risk risky behaviors, 'di ba? Okay? Then next, we have to ensure that the healthcare team is consistent with the information. Okay? And then allow the client to make choices and be as independent as possible. Tama yan. Okay? Encourage the client to discuss feelings rather than acting them out. Okay? Mas, yon, need nating ipa-feel sa kanila na yun nga, na opening up is not a bad thing. Okay? Then, encourage the client to keep a journal to record daily feelings. Miski kayo ha, yun, journal din kayo. And then discuss expectations and responsibilities with the client para iwas suspiciousness. Okay, next, discuss the consequences that will follow certain behaviors. We are not going to let them manipulate us. Okay? Ima-mind games natin sila. And it is for the better. Okay? Inform the client that harm to self, others, and property is unacceptable, especially to clients who have antisocial personality disorder. Okay? And then we are going to develop a written safety or behavioral contract with the client. Like, okay, dapat safe ka ngayong araw. Ha? I-promise mo sa akin na, okay, gumawa tayo ng kontrata. Dapat sa loob ng isang araw, hindi hindi ka magse-self-harm. Okay? The next, we have to identify splitting behavior. We also have to assist the client to deal directly with anger kasi baka ina-avoid nila yan o kaya ay they deal with anger in a negative way. Okay? And then we have to encourage the client to participate in group activities and praise non-manipulative behavior. We have to recognize their efforts. We have to give honest feedbacks. Okay? And then we have to set and maintain limits to decrease manipulative behavior. We also have to remove the client from group situations in which attention-seeking behaviors occur. Yan. Lalo na sa mga histrionic personality disorder clients. ialis natin sila din sa mga ano, yung mga contest, yung mga pagandahan ng drawing. No. Kasi kapag hindi sa kanila yung pinakamaganda, they tend to be dramatic. Okay? And then next, we have to provide realistic praise for positive behaviors in social situations. Okay. So, before I end this one, sabihin ko lang yung mga treatment, yung medical treatment dito, yung mga meds, okay? So, class, um, sa cluster A, personality disorder, we can give them or yeah, we can administer antidepressants, okay? Mga SSRIs, TCAs, tapos MAWI. Depende na rin kay doc kung ano yung ibibigay, okay? And then we can provide low dose antipsychotics. Low dose antipsychotics are also used as an antidepressant, okay? Next, sa cluster B personality disorder naman, class, ang treatment dito, we can give them lithium, okay? We can give them lithium para ma-regulate yung mood nila properly, okay? And we can also give anticonvulsants para hindi sila, para kalmado pa rin, okay? And then next, we can give naman sa mga clients with cluster C personality disorders, we can give them anxiolytics, okay? Mga benzodiazepine, ganyan. Para mabawasan yung anxious nila. I mean, anxiety nila. Okay? Nagigets po? Ulit nga, ano nga yung mga nasa cluster A? Okay, decide mo. Mm-mm. Okay. Yes. Okay. Tatlo yan. Very good. Next naman. Sa, ano naman, cluster B. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay. Next, meron tayo dito sa cluster C, personality disorders. Tatlo yan. Sabihin nyo nga. Sa inyong bahay, sabihin nyo lang. Okay? Tatlo yan. Mm-mm. Okay, very good. So, I am going to stop this recording na and I hope na you learned a lot. Okay?